So you post high quality videos. You spend countless hours scripting, planning, and budgeting for this high quality content, and yet nobody engages with them. I promise you, it is not the algorithm, it is you. And I'm going to tell you exactly what you're doing wrong in this video. The truth is that most content in the world is generic. The content is generic. It is vanilla. It looks like what I would expect. It looks like what I do not want to see. It is not entertaining. It is not surprising. I know exactly what you're going to say, and I know exactly how you're going to say it, and I don't want to see more generic cookie cutter content anymore. Like no, please, stop it. Like no more generic content. Another thing, it is advice that everybody else knows. And you're disguising it as insight. It's not insight. We know. We all know. We all know that we need a top of funnel, middle of funnel, and bottom of funnel. Like what? That's not insight. Like we know that. That's not. You're not giving us anything new. You're not bringing anything. Or what? You're not telling us that. So please. Or this one.
If my neighbor's baby doesn't cry when I'm making content, who will?
You're making a slightly rewarded version of content that's already went viral.
Even louder crying.
If you're really wondering why nobody is engaging with your posts, let me tell you the harsh truth. Nothing you say is new. Nothing you say is original. Someone has already said it before. That information is already out there on the internet. Everything has already been done before. So how do you actually stand out in a world of cookie cutter content? Let me tell you. The first step is to tell your story. I know this is obvious. Come on. Tell your personal story. Tell your own story. Nobody could have lived your experience. Nobody can have your life. Your experiences are unique to you. Your life is unique to you. This is literally the number one thing that differentiates you from everybody else. Your story. Nobody can replicate or copy your story. They may have similar stories, but what are the odds? That somebody in your niche has the exact story as you. That's so sauce. And it's important to know that I'm not talking about a corporate story or a polished story or a smooth story. Give us the messy, give us the real, give us the authentic, give us the vulnerable, give us that ugly version of yourself that you think nobody wants to hear. Give us that thing that you don't want to share. That thing, yeah, that's it. Another thing you can do is be controversial. Like have a very polarizing, controversial view. Have a hot take. You know that guy that does Subway takes. So what's your hot take?
So what's your take?
Have a hot take. That's why his content works, because the people there have hot takes. Have a hot take. Have a not necessarily controversial, but in your niche, it should be something that a lot of people disagree and lots of people would agree. Take a side. Don't just say, oh, you could do this, but you could also do this. Either you're black or you're white. And I promise you, this is rage bait, and it works, and you will love it. Your content will love it. Your comment section will love it. Once you can pick a side and stick to it, I love it. It's not manipulation. That's how attention works. You have to use it for your own good. Last but not the least is be different. When I say different, I mean do things differently. If everyone in your niche is making videos like this,
according to psychology, the most intelligent personality type is the...
You want to start making videos like this.
Caffeine make you more stressed or less stressed? I'm a psychologist.
The point is to be different, to be going left when everybody's going right. Don't try to make better content. Be different. Like, trust me on this one. Just be different. Look different. Sound different. Talk differently. Let everything about your content and your marketing be the exact opposite of what your competitors are doing. And I'm not saying just do like rubbish. You want to know the rules and why they work, not to be able to break the rules. The concept of why something works like why a hook works. You can create a hook that works without doing what your competitors are doing. You want to be totally different as possible. And the only real way to do this is by unlocking your creativity. Like, I can't teach you how to do it differently because I'm also trying to figure that out, you know. And make these 3 changes to your content, you would see a massive difference in your engagement. Obviously, there are lots more things that you can do, a lot, but implement this once first. Let me know how it works for you, then we can get to the rest.